Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Bing app and signing in. This ties search history and personalization to your account. Once done, grant microphone and location so voice search and local answers work reliably. Next, make Bing easy to reach. Set it as your default or add the widget to the home screen. This first phase is about access and permissions. Without them, voice, image, and contextual search will be limited, so don't skip these steps. Now you use Bing's features. Tap the mic and speak naturally. The assistant supports follow-up questions, so continue the thread without repeating context. Use the camera icon to scan objects, copy text, or translate signs. Framing the subject close and steady improves results. When you need multi-step help, switch to chat mode, ask for steps, then request simplifications or examples. Make sure to combine voice, image, and chat where they complement each other for faster, more accurate answers. To finish, save useful results to collections or share them directly. This keeps answers available offline. If Bing behaves oddly, clear the app cache and sign out, then sign in again. That resolves sync glitches. If camera or mic don't work, check app permissions in system settings. Reinstall only if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot your phone before reinstalling. It often clears permission locks and network hiccups, making the reinstall unnecessary and saving time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.